Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Citroen remote key fob. The battery is situated just behind this panel here, so we need to remove it to get at the key fob battery. Okay, we do that by placing our flat-headed little screwdriver into this gap here, which pushes against the clip, which is just here, that releases it. There you go, you can just see that the cover is just coming up very slightly, so you can get your screwdriver in there and just prise the case open like so. And there you go, there is your battery. Using the same screwdriver, we just need to get underneath the battery and just prise it out of its location, like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into its location, making sure that the writing is facing upwards on this key fob, so we know it's in its correct location. And it's time just to pop the cover back on. Just make sure everything's lined up, and we just click it in place like so. And there you go, it's all done.